Hi, welcome friends, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concepts, a channel for health, wellness and pharmaceutical sciences. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about hiccups. What is the reason for hiccups? Hiccups are involuntary contraction of diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from the abdomen and plays an important role in breathing. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of the vocal cord, which produces the hic sound. The picture is clearly will explain how hiccups are created. Why we do hiccup? When the muscle spasms, the vocal cord snaps shut during the hiccup sound. Hiccups are often rhythmic. They are usually just a temporary minor annoyance, but prolonged hiccups may signal a major medical problem. The longest recorded hiccup attack is about 6 decades. Why do we hiccup? Women and men tend to get hiccup equally as often, but hiccups that last more than 48 hours are more common in men. Hiccups can ever occur in fetus while still in utero. The medical term for hiccup is singulatus, which comes from the Latin word for gasp or sob. The hiccup is an involuntary action involving a reflex arc. Pathophysiological causes of hiccups: swallowing air excessively, gastroesophageal reflux, hiathical hernia, rapid eating, carbonated beverages, alcohols, dry breads and some other spicy food, opioid drug use, laughing. These are the general pathophysiological causes for hiccups. Common causes of hiccups include eating too quickly, eating or drinking too much, disease that irritate the nerves that control the diaphragm, abdominal surgery, stroke, brain tumors and breathing nauseous fumes. These are the common reasons of hiccups. Most cases of the hiccups can be cured or resolved in a short time and rarely are a medical emergency. See your doctor if hiccups last more than 3 hours or if they disturb your eating or sleeping habits. Home remedies or ways to get rid of hiccups include holding your breath, holding a glass of water quickly, pulling hard on your tongue, biting on a lemon, gargling with water, breathing, smelling salts are the common remedies to get rid of hiccups. Rarely, a doctor may prescribe medications such as chlorpromazine, haloperidol, haldol, and metoclopramide for severe and persistent hiccups. But generally, hiccups will go off in a couple of minutes or hours. Now, a team of researchers revealed another atypical symptom reported by the patients infected with the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes the coronavirus disease COVID-19, persistent hiccups. The reference has been given in medical journals. Hi, thanks for your time. Subscribe to our channel if you like Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness and pharmaceutical sciences.